And yeah, it's really the motherfucking way. So this is one of the things that I have to get anytime I come here. Like, you goddamn see, you see all this motherfucking pot on this, hold on? See that powder? Yeah. What's good, everybody? Glass, Billy Daddy Vlog Life. Yeah, I'm in my hometown. I'm actually at the airport. I was really supposed to do this in the French quarters, but that line was so long, it was hot as hell. There was so many people outside waiting in line, I just couldn't do it. So, I'm still gonna do it today. Beignets is one of my favorite dishes. It's a French pastry, almost like a donut, but it's powdered in sugar, deep fried. Come on, let's go. And yeah, it's really the motherfucking way. So this is one of the things that I have to get anytime I come here. Like, you goddamn see, you see all this motherfucking pot on this, hold on? See that powder? Yeah. Yeah, that shit is good as hell too. Hey, if you ever come to New Orleans, you gotta get you a beignet. Like I say, yeah, plenty of places, but you need to get you a motherfucking beignet, and you need to eat it. I'm not sure what kind of sweets y'all prefer, but beignets is one of the places that you need to go when you come to New Orleans. A lot of culture, a lot of people. There's a lot of good shit going on. So it's a bad shaky bad book. More shit on this hoe, you know what I'm talking about? And you gotta get it. If you had beignets before, you understand how good they are and what's going on. I know it might be kind of loud, but I'm vlogging, get it in. We're gonna talk about food, the best types of food. Next time I do a po' boy, next time I come back, I'm just getting beignets in right now for the hometown. You know what I'm saying? Man, goddamn, shit, it's so goddamn good too. I eat beignets since I was a kid, so y'all tell me about y'all beignet experience. Y'all get at me, let me know. Yeah, but this beignet is good as hell. Y'all keep on pushing me, we're still striving. We're on the way to 5,000, so we're gonna see how we get there. Keep on moving, keep on pushing. It's progression. So yeah, if y'all not eating deep fried beignets, then I don't know what y'all doing with y'all life. Y'all gotta do better and y'all gotta get better with it, you know what I'm saying? I get it, y'all. Hey.